Welcome to another lesson in the world of mathematics. In this lesson, we will learn about the perimeter and area of plane shapes. Now let's say Mimi decides to take a walk around her new farm space. She is surveying the land and planning for the next planting season. When she is done walking around the farm, the distance she walked is the perimeter of the farm. The perimeter of a plane shape is the total distance around the plane shape. We measure perimeter in unit lengths. It is also the length of thread that can go around the shape once. So if you have a plane shape like this square, the length of thread that goes around the square is its perimeter. Using a thread to find the perimeter is very useful if you have an irregular shape like this one. The length of the thread that goes around the shape is its perimeter. If you have something bigger than a thread, you can use a flexible measuring tape like this one to measure it. Now let's talk about the area of a plane shape. What if Mimi wants to start work on her farm space? She'll need to know how much space it covers. This will help her know how many plants she can have, especially where plant spacing is important. That space the farmland covers is its area. The area of a plane shape is the amount of space it covers. Area is measured in square units. Area is, in a sense, the number of squares that can fit into a space. So why are we learning about area and perimeter? It is because we encounter the flat surfaces in our everyday life. Architects and builders need to know the perimeter of a compound or building to estimate the amount of material they need in building a fence around it. They also need to know the area of floors in order to know the amount of flooring materials needed to cover the floors. Those in charge of landscaping the compound need to know the area in order to plan the amount of gravel that will cover the land. So the application of area and perimeter is vast and really fundamental in our everyday life. In subsequent lessons, we will learn how to calculate the areas and perimeters of some shapes. Let's do this.